Hi friends, welcome back to Shamax channel. Today I am going to do review on Steadtler color pencil which comes in a tin box. It has only 12 colors but it cost $12. It's really expensive. So let's check whether it's worth for money or not. Whether it costs for the pencil or for the box. Okay? Well, this is how all the shades look. I felt the color transfer is really good and rich in pigment. But I felt it is expensive because it's just to work as a normal color pencil. So I feel it is a bit expensive. Might be the cost might be is for the tin box. I hope so. Okay, let's check how it works on the color book. Okay. Well, this is the page I am going to work on it. Let's check how the blendings work and how vibrant in this coloring book. Okay, I'm going to color few jellyfish. Yeah, let's see. So I have taken green, that is dark green, and the light one. Okay. Well, I'm going to use the red as well so that I feel like the image will pop out, because it's a complementary color. So let's see. Well, I love the way the jellyfish comes out, and of course, the blending is beautiful because even I use the red one over the green one. Still, the color transfer is really good, and the image gets popped out well. Yeah, I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click on the notification button so that you will be get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Until take care. Bye.